I'm Jessica Rothe and I'm going to share some of my beauty secrets with you. I just finished filming the movie Forever My Girl and my skin needs a little TLC. First thing I love to do is I have these amazing acne spot treatment patches. They're called Acne RX. They're amazing. And I would put a fantastic mask on. This is a Lifesaver. Smush it on. It's a really good look, right? It's everywhere. Then it does its magic. I'm gonna go wash this off. You can really tell it's been working because my face is bright red. The Gian Marini, obsessed. I'm gonna go throw on my clothes and let my skin calm down a little. And this is my secret weapon. It is Gleam. It adds a little bit of gold into your concealer, which is awesome. These products were recommended to me by makeup artists on different shoots. I really love NARS concealer. It helps kind of get those tiny little spots and dots. I love a good highlighter. I probably use more of it than I should. Middle of the nose, a little there. Eyebrow arches are a must. And then of course, I like to put a little kind of on my clavicles. I love a good stain because it kind of stays for the whole day. And then the cool thing is it's cheek and lip. I have another blush that I'll put on a little bit on top of that's more bronzy, and I also kind of love putting some as like secret eyeshadow. And then for mascara, right now I'm using Smashbox Full Exposure. I am pretty lucky and have relatively full eyebrows. And last but not least, this Dior lip gloss is my favorite. And give your hair a little zhuzh. But that's it.